morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this phone mount that I bought from the TikTok shop. And shout out to my neighbors. I gotta thank them because, as I said, that option from the last video that I made, that the mail lady put the wrong package in somebody else's mail, which is one of my neighbors, and they brought it to the house. So shout out to the neighbors. If you guys see this video, thank you. I really appreciate it. Right now I'm walking sexy, beautiful Avalon 08. Beautiful. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing. Stay tuned. And I just want to thank my neighbors, whoever deliver it, whoever bring it, you know, whoever was so fair and so genuine. I have to thank you guys, man. I have to thank y'all because, man, I was depressed. I was really depressed. I don't know if it's gonna sit up. Okay, it's gonna sit up this way then. That way. Yeah, I was really depressed. Like, it was pretty messed up. That's why I said a lot of these male people, male or female, because everybody make mistakes. So, you know, but it happens to me 3 times already. I think the person need to stay off of their cell phone while they delivering the package, delivering the mail. But anyways, let's get down to it. If you guys new to my channel, please subscribe, please hit that like, and leave a comment and tell me what you think. I bought this right here off of the TikTok shop, and it was pretty cheap. You know, it was like less than 10 bucks. I think I got it for like 5 and change or something. It's called Bracket Telescope LC, safe and stable, not shrinking. That's what it said. Not shaking is safer. Not shaking is safer. That's what it said at the bottom. I know you guys probably can't even see it, you know. But yeah. So as you can see it right there, let's get down to it. See what all it comes with, you know. So it have these things right here. I don't know what they are. I don't know if it's stickers or whatever. Okay, it said wipes, remove excess dirt, and it said dry. Number 1 is the wipes, remove excess dirt, wet. So this one is wet and this one is dry. And this right here, I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna keep it. And I don't get no manual or nothing come in the box to say how to use it or whatever. But this right here, I don't know if it's a sticky piece that it's a sticky label, you know. At the bottom, you peel it. I'm not gonna take it all the way off, and it's gonna start getting hot in here because I got the car closed up and the sun is beaming. It's pretty hot here in Florida, and I'm guessing this part is a sticky surface as well. And it gives you the on and off. I don't even know how do you, okay, it's supposed to be able to extend, right? I don't know. This is how it looks, but it's kind of weird because what I've been seeing, they stick it on certain surface like a magnet and it sticks. I don't know how they do it, but it's like a on and off, you twist. I got to learn how to use it basically. Yeah, I gotta learn how to I'm happy. I'm so happy that I got it because I was like, yo, I spent my hard-earning money, even though it is not all that expensive, but man, It's messed up that when you spend your hard earning money and you expect something to come in the mail, and then the mail person made a mistake and put it in somebody else's mailbox. And that's why I give those options in my last video by saying, option 1, they scan it early and they're going to deliver it the next day. Or option 2, they put it in somebody else's mailbox. Made a mistake and put it in somebody else's mailbox. Or option 3, the person who got it is either, if they're fair, they either leave it at the office or bring it to my house, just leave it at the door. Or they could just take it because, hey, it's, you know, some people it's not genuine, some people it's not fair. So, but it's cool, guys. Like, it's cool. Like, you could just, you know, I guess you put your phone right there. I don't know if it's magnet. Most likely it is. It's magnet. I'm thinking that it holds your phone, and when you put it down on whatever surface, if it's glass or maybe the sticky area go on top of the dashboard, it holds it and it sticks. But I don't think that I'm gonna put it all the way up there. I might put it, I don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, but this like some Asian, you know, comes with some Asian words. I don't know, I can't read that. I don't know if it's Japan in Japanese or Chinese, the way how it's written, I don't know. But I gotta figure it out, how to use it. I see it on the TikTok shop. They have a lot of different stuff on the TikTok shop. What I want to invest as well in is one of those portable power washer that they have on the TikTok shop. Right now, I've seen one of them going for like 22 bucks. I am going to invest in one of those, and I will be doing a video to show you guys how it works. I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'm going to show you guys how it works as well when I get a chance. But guys, I'm happy. Thank you, neighbor. If you see this video, thank you so much. If you see this video, neighbor, I want to thank you, and I want to thank you personally. Hopefully you see me outside, because I'm always outside, and be like, hey, they had sent, I don't know, just let me know. Just tell me that, yeah, they put the wrong package in my box, and I had to, you know, I had to give it to you. I couldn't keep it for myself. So I appreciate you. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do. But yeah, guys, this is a quick unboxing. I got it from the TikTok shop. I don't know how it works yet. I guess if okay, since I took off the sticky piece, can I like, okay, so does it locked in? Oh, that's how it works. So basically, if I release it, and then I guess it's supposed to hold, I guess, okay, so I guess when I take this sticky part off, I don't know, I gotta learn how to see how it works, right? Or is it like this then? Is it okay? So it seems like it works like this then. So you drop it right here. Okay, you lock it in like this, so it's locked, and this is the sticky part that holds, I'm guessing. So yeah, it holds that way. So what about the glass? So okay, yeah, okay, so that's how it works. So there it is. You see, it holds, and it's stiff, so you could easily remove it. But I don't know if it works on any surface though. Let me try to turn my camera, switch my camera around. Okay, so say that, do I have any microfiber Okay, I do have a piece of microfiber cloth, whatever. All right, because I know when the sun comes up, it's really hot. So what about if I do it like this? All right, so is it gonna work like this or no? Man, it's hard holding the camera and try to. So it work on the glass properly, like really good. But I guess the sticky surface, I gotta use this. I'm guessing. But it should work. If it's glass, that means it should work. But it's not long enough though to go on that. But it works properly on the glass. See? It works pretty good on the glass. So, yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there we go. It released. So, I guess I'm gonna have to put it on the glass then. I usually put mine's like some type of way. I don't know. I'll figure it out, guys. But yeah, it's hot in here. I gotta turn on the car. I have to turn on the car. It's too hot. Turn on the AC as well. But yeah, guys, this is the unbox. Thank you guys for coming through. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and support. Got it from the TikTok shop. I gotta learn how to use it. I'll figure it out how to use it, guys. But should have some directions. You know, remove the suction cup protective film before use, and press the suction cup firmly onto a smooth surface clockwise. Rotate, locking, unlocking counterclockwise. Easy installation steps. So you have the black one, they have the white one. Yeah, gotta figure it out. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Appreciate the love, support. Peace, bye bye, take care, and God bless. I got my package. I am happy. Thank you, neighbor. Thank you for not keeping my package. You're very genuine. I thank you. I appreciate it. Peace.